Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do reading for air sign Gemini. This is weekly reading. So let's see Gemini, your love reading for the next week. So let's see your love messages. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's see your messages. Ace of Wands, the Empress, Page of Swords. One person in this connection is spying on the other person. Definitely one person want new beginning with the other person, Ace of Wands. But one person in this connection stand by their power, the Empress. It could be you or your person, definitely. So there is spying going between both of you, and the person who's spying on the other person want new beginning with that person. Could be you or your person. So let's see some more. Seven of Cups, King of Cups, Ace of Swords. Yeah, communication, truth coming out, and new beginnings. Definitely one person want new beginnings with the other person. They are fantasizing about them a lot. King of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you, and they want to offer their love, their cup of love. So it could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. Definitely one person want a new beginning with the other person. The Hierophant, yeah. Knight of Wands, the World, yeah. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. There are some commitment issues in past between both of you. I think that's why for some there is separation. Now your person realizes the other person realizes the other person worth, then they want to commit, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. They are very passionate about you, they are very passionate about the other person. So this could be you or your person. The World, definitely some cycles are going to be end. I think it could be you also, Gemini. You also want new beginning with your person or your person. So let's see some more messages. Yeah, Two of Swords. Definitely one person is at some crossroads. Page of Wands. Yeah, communication. Definitely you both will communicate. Another card, Temperance. Yeah, patience and balance is needed in this connection. Yeah, there is no balance, that's why Two of Swords. One person has lot of confusion. Definitely they don't know what decision they has to make. And a Page of Wands, definitely one person is younger than the other person, and they are very good looking. One person in this connection very. So let's see your person energy little bit, then we will see who it is. So let's see your person energy little bit, Gemini. You're clinging to the past, Five of Cups. I think the one who want new beginning is your person with you, because they are very sad without you. Yeah, politics, Seven of Swords. I think they did something wrong in past, that's why there is some separation between both of you. There is some politics here. There is some game. Yeah, new vision, Hanged Man. Definitely your person under the deck, compromise. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take this time. They are stuck right now. They are spiritually awakening your person. That's I think your person want new beginning with you, but you stand by your power. The Empress is you here. Yeah, outsider, Five of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation between both of you. Your person feels like an outsider. They are very, very sad. No thingness means Hermit. Definitely two times Hermes. I think in past your person not committed to you. That's why you leave them for some only. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to. But now they want you back. It's up to you to give another chance to your person, depending upon your situation. Yeah, sorrow, Nine of Swords. Definitely they are feeling very, very sad without you letting go, Eight of Cups. Definitely I think you want to let go this situation, but your person want you back. So it's up to you, Gemini, to give your person a chance or not. So let's see lost card for the reading. Three cards, but I am not taking. Yeah, the burden, Six of Swords. Definitely your person want to things want to resolve things between both of you issues. The burden 6 of swords is, this could be long distance relationship also. Yeah, they want to come towards you and they want new beginnings with you, but they are feeling like outsider, because I think they think you don't allow them again. So it's up to you, Gemini, to give second chance to your person, but they want you back in their life. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.